How's everybody doing today? Just stopped at the yard, so I picked up a couple tools that I didn't really need. Mayhew, made in the USA, a little pry bar. Little Pittsburgh, 1/4 inch drive swivel ratchet. Little Craftsman 1/4 inch extension. 1/2 inch 3/8 adapter, no name. We got a Blue Point, 13 millimeter. We got a Mac 10 millimeter. We got a Snap-on 11/16, Snap-on 9/16, and we got the little head here, which I already put on my tank and it works. So, all right, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day.